Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a table on Power BI. So first of all, I dragged the table tool and now I am dragging the sales. Oh, that's not working. Well, let's try that again. So let's start with the country. Okay, yeah, we got that. Then the the sum of the year. And then the units sold. So as you can see, we have each unit sold from each country, and the sum of the profits from each country and the gross sale. So that's basically what we need to do. Well, let's remove year because the sum of the year doesn't make sense. And so yeah, now we're gonna drag the sale price and the cogs. That's I don't know what that is. Well, I just found these samples from the Power BI. I just tried some samples for this and it's working, I guess. I mean, this is a money related thing. So yeah, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe, share. Bye.